Unit 1, Part A, Activity 2A. Listen. Write the words under the pictures.
Tim, come over here, quick!
Are those our new neighbours? I don't really like having new people around.
Give them a chance. Look, the daughter seems friendly. She's smiling and waving at everyone.
She seems pretty too. She's got blue eyes just like me. But I'm not sure I like her wavy blonde hair. The father looks tired. Maybe he's hard-working.
And he's wearing glasses and has a moustache. He must be a professor.
Don't be silly.
Oh, look at the mum. She's got wavy hair too, just like her daughter, but hers is black. She is really tall. What do you think?
She's definitely taller than our mum, but mum's prettier, of course. She looks very easygoing and polite. Look at that. She just greeted the other person with a smile and bowed. What? She gave her some bread too? Oh, she seems kind.
That bread looks delicious. We should go say hi. Maybe they'll give us some bread too.
I don't think that's a good idea, Lynn. Hey, come back here.